Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix heating problem in your Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our videos. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings, click on app management, then click on app list. Here you have to search over here. Just right here. You have to write here system, then you can scroll down also. Here it is settings. You have to clear the cache also, like this. And just like this, you have to click on three dots, then click on show system apps. Right here system, here it is Android system. You have to clear the cache and give all the permissions and simply press back. You have to write here Google, then simply scroll down, click on Google Play Services. You have to clear the cache from here. It will fix the problem, heating problem in your Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.